In this video, I will show you a powerful feature regarding the product configuration on Odoo point of sales. The result looks like this. You choose the product, and you see many attributes to play with, in order to get the customizing level desired by your customer. You can also configure additional costs for some attributes. Once added to the cart, you get not only all the information about the configured product, but also the total price is calculated automatically and based on your choices. To get the result, you can use the attribute feature in Odoo. This is an example of an attribute. You can choose the display type for the users. Then fill the different values available. Finally, you can add your attribute to the product you select. At that point, you specify the values that can be chosen by the users. To set an additional cost for some specific attributes on your product, you click on Configure, then you choose the option to modify and set the additional price for that option. Now, if you switch to the point of sales screen, and try to configure your product, you get an extra price applied to leather option as set it.